Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how Acorns works for beginners. Acorns is a popular micro-investing app that makes it easy to start investing, even with just a few dollars. It's perfect for those new to investing who want a simple, automated way to grow their money. The app helps you invest your spare change and offers various diversified portfolios tailored to your financial goals and risk level. One of Acorns' core features is roundups. When you link your credit or debit cards, Acorns rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. For example, a $3.75 coffee means 25 cents is set aside. Once these roundups reach $5, they are invested into a diversified portfolio chosen by you, based on your risk preference. Acorns provides different subscription tiers to fit various needs. The personal plan, costing $3 per month, includes an investing account, a checking account, and a debit card. For $5 per month, the Personal Plus plan adds a retirement account and a custom portfolio. The family plan, at $9 per month, includes everything in Personal Plus, plus custodial investment accounts for children. Getting started with Acorns is straightforward. You can begin investing with just $5. The app automates your investments, making it easy to save without actively thinking about it. Acorns also automatically rebalances your portfolio to keep it aligned with your chosen risk level. This hands-off approach helps you consistently contribute to your financial future and build wealth over the long term.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.